Before we start, let's first review the general roadmap of what has to be done before any application to include an IVD on the ARTG. Nothing prior needs to be done for Class 1 IVDs, which can go directly to the application phase. For Class 2 or 3 IVDs manufactured overseas, the manufacturer's evidence needs to be submitted before the application can be made. Finally, for Class 2 or 3 IVDs manufactured in Australia and for Class 4 IVDs, or if the manufacturer's evidence is not acceptable, then a TGA Conformity Assessment Certificate is required, which will be submitted as manufacturer's evidence. This is the topic of this course. What is a Conformity Assessment Certificate? Conformity Assessment Certificate has a special meaning under the Therapeutic Goods, Medical Devices Regulations 2002 as a certificate issued to the manufacturer by the TGA. It certifies that the manufacturer has complied with the requirements of the appropriate conformity assessment procedures under Schedule 3 of the regulations. Schedule 3 of the regulations sets out the conformity assessment procedures which a manufacturer must follow. As we have seen in earlier courses, for most overseas manufactured IVDs, the evidence of conformity with these procedures can be presented in a number of ways as manufacturer's evidence. A TGA Conformity Assessment Certificate is required for all Australian manufacturers of IVDs, except for those falling under Class 1. Under certain circumstances, the TGA will not accept overseas certification. All manufacturers of Class 4 IVDs and manufacturers who do not hold acceptable manufacturer's evidence for their IVDs must obtain a Conformity Assessment Certificate from the TGA. Remember that this certificate must be obtained before an application can be made to place the products on the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods.